Sat Sahib Ji.
Our next question is on expectations. Why do I expect so much from others? And if we expect anything in return from others, then definitely we are going to be hopeless. But the thing is, if you are really honest and doing your act unconditionally, then you do not have to expect anything. And if you perform your act responsibly and you have faith in your karma or act, then the result is going to take place for sure. There is nothing like that if you do anything and you are not going to take its result. If you inseminate a seed, it will grow. If you are serving it perfectly, it will grow. You don't have to expect that I will get the fruits also. And just like the parents serve their children so much and they do not expect anything back from the children. Either they give them anything in return or they don't do anything in return, yet the parents are going to serve their children out of love. And remember, relationship is not a business. There is nothing like that. If I give anything, then I will get anything. This universe is doing so much for us. We are breathing, getting water, food, this and that, so many things. The basic things are always free of cost. Does the universe really expect anything from us? There is nothing like that. We simply should do our best. And if we do really our best, then we shall get our reward. It automatically comes. So stop expecting anything from others. In fact, the other is also not the other. Okay, try to understand, you are the first, and whom you are thinking like the other, in fact, he is also not the other. He is the first himself. If you go on searching for the other, you will never find the other, because there is no other. There is nothing like other. We can see different bodies here on this planet Earth, but the consciousness into everybody is only one. So this is the case. There is a bridge between everyone. There is a bridge. We are combined with one another. So whatever we do, it affects the whole mankind. So always be responsible and do your things unconditionally. Things will go perfect.
Sat Sahib.